We are going to open a new file. Okay, we're going to create a new movie to demonstrate how we actually do a movie, create a movie in Photoshop. So let's go to the default, open that up. We'll create a video timeline, which will give us a blank layer 0, and we'll add media. There are 6 clips, some movies and some stills from the Lesson 11 files, which we'll open up and import. Right into the timeline. And we'll expand those clips so that we can see their duration, because we're going to shorten them all to 3 seconds. Let's delete layer 0, there's nothing in it. Now let's reduce the size of the family so that it fits the screen. So we'll go to pan and zoom, we'll resize to fit the canvas or fill the canvas. Click on the layer or click on the timeline, the clip, and then go back to no motion because we're not going to pan and zoom it. That was just to reduce its size so it fits the screen. Now let's shorten the duration to 3 seconds, and we're going to do all of the clips to 3 seconds. If I highlight the clip by clicking on the layer, in the Layers panel, it'll select the clip. And just drag them to the left. In the upper right corner of that video that's playing, you can see the duration. When it reaches 3, we'll stop. They're all going to match. 3 seconds each. Click on the Dogs at Beach layer, highlight the clip, shorten it to 3 seconds. Let's expand those out a little bit so it's easy to work with. So we're up to Dogs, which is layer 4. We'll shorten that. Now you should be following this in the book, so it's making sense. And there we have it in view.